In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive name. Here's the key idea up front. Your Google Drive name isn't a separate setting inside Drive. Drive simply shows your Google account display name, which is the same name used across other Google services. So to change what appears in Google Drive, you'll update your Google account display name, and that change will flow through to Drive automatically. The fastest way to do this is on a computer. Open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account settings. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Personal Info. This is where Google stores the basic details tied to your account. Inside Personal Info, find the area called Basic Info. There, you'll see an option labeled Name. Click that, and you'll be taken to a screen with two fields, first name and last name. Type the name you want to appear across your Google services into these fields. Keep it simple and professional if you use this account for work or school, or personalize it to match how you'd like to be identified in shared folders, comments, and document suggestions. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. That's it. Once you save, your new display name will update across Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Slides, and even YouTube for this account. In most cases, you'll see the change quickly, but it can take a few minutes to fully refresh everywhere. If it doesn't appear right away in a tab you already had open, give it a little time or refresh the page to prompt the update. A few important notes to keep in mind. Changing your display name does not change your Gmail address or your account's username. It only changes the name people see when you share files, comment, or send emails. If you collaborate often, choose a name that teammates will easily recognize to avoid confusion in shared drives and documents. Also, remember, you're updating the name for your entire Google account, not just Drive, so expect to see the new name in all connected Google services you use with this account. To recap, go to myaccount.google.com, open Personal Info, select Name under Basic Info, edit your first name and last name, and click Save. Give it a moment to propagate and your new name will appear across Google Drive and beyond.